Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make this treble crochet stitch. As a foundation chain, I will have 14 chains. Now I will have 14 chains, then yarn over twice and into the 5th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the 5th chain, insert the hook, grab the yarn and pull up it. Then you will have 4 loops on your hook. Then release 2, then release another 2, then release the final 2. So the height of the treble crochet is equal to 4 chains. So I made the treble crochet into the 5th chain to keep this 4 chains free. Then yarn over twice into the next stitch. I'll make again a treble crochet, release 2, then release the other 2, then release the final 2. 2 treble crochets are done. Again yarn over twice into the next chain, insert the hook and pull up the yarns. There should be 4 loops. Release 2 loops, then release another 2 loops, then release the final 2 loops. Likewise you can complete. Yes, I have finished all the chains at the bottom of the foundation chain. Now I want to make the second row. So to get the height, I have to make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Height of a treble crochet. Then turn the work. Now yarn over twice and to the base of the 4 chains you have to make a treble crochet. 1, 2 loops removed. Again yarn over twice, insert the hook, release 2 loops, release the final 2 loops. Yarn over twice, stretch the loops to the fullest position. Then it is easy to make. Again yarn over twice, insert the hook, grab the yarn and stretch to the fullest position, then release 2 loops and release the other 2 loops. Yarn over twice, insert the hook, stretch it to the fullest. Okay, now I have completed 2 rows. In each row there should be the equal numbers of treble crochets. So without counting these 3 chains, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't count the 3 chain part. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There should be same number of treble crochets when you are improving your rows. Okay, thank you for watching.